Are you frustrated by creating motivational YouTube shorts only to face demonetization hurdles from YouTube? I've been there, hitting dead ends despite amassing millions of views. But here's an untapped approach that's setting new channels ablaze, raking in millions of views in mere months. Let's delve into this revolutionary method, revolutionizing the YouTube Shorts landscape. Instead of laboring for hours editing 30-second clips with complex software, imagine a smarter, more efficient way to craft viral-worthy content cherished by the YouTube Shorts algorithm. Some channels have cracked the code by transforming motivational speeches into engaging short stories using AI. That's the ticket to those coveted millions of views. Step 1. Transcribing your chosen video. Begin by finding a motivational video on YouTube. Copy the link and use a transcription tool like Wizard AI to transcribe the content. This transcription will serve as the foundation for your storytelling. Save it to a notepad or Word document. Next, use ChatGPT with this specific prompt. I will provide you with a transcript of a motivational YouTube video as reference. I want you to write 5 different scripts similar to that, written like stories. Step 2. The power of storytelling. Converting a motivational script into unique short stories offers several advantages for deeper audience engagement. Captivating narratives draw viewers in through relatable characters and vivid settings, ensuring the message resonates. Emotional connections form as the core message is woven into a narrative, making it more likely to be internalized. Stories are more memorable than plain facts or speeches, aiding in content recall. Step 3. Crafting the voiceover. Transform your script into a voiceover using a text-to-speech website like 11 Labs. Choose a suitable voice. Adam or Marcus are recommended for these types of videos to resonate with your audience. Step 4. Curating Visuals. Now there are 2 ways to go about this. First, you can decide to create simple story videos like this with stock video footages or go with AI-generated images like this. Let's start with the first. Select compelling stock footage that aligns with your theme, luxury, travel, or relevant visuals. Search stock footage sites like Pexels or Instagram for impactful clips that enhance your story. Now for these types of motivational story videos, you just need an image generator like Midjourney or Leonardo AI. Generate images that are related to what is being said in each scene. Talking about making your videos unique. Step 5. Video editing. Now, it's time to weave everything together using your preferred editing software, such as Capcut. Import the voiceover and footage, adjusting the aspect ratio for YouTube Shorts. Employ quick transitions, 3-5 seconds per clip, and consider a dark, motivational vibe for viewer engagement. Step 6. Enhancing with text and music. Utilize tools like Capcut's auto caption for text overlays. Personalize captions with templates, colors, and fonts to make them visually appealing.
There once was a town where every morning John would sit by his window, a cup of coffee in hand, watching the world go by. It was a comfortable chair in a familiar corner of his world, yet each day felt like the repetition of the last. John found himself lost in a cycle, scrolling through videos, seeking inspiration as if it were a hidden treasure. His job paid the bills but didn't ignite his passion. The routine followed him home, where distractions swallowed the remaining hours. One day, amid the noise, a thought echoed within him. Is this the life I truly dream of? The answer remained silent until he dared to seek it. John's journey began with a simple act, closing the app. With each passing day, he ventured further from the familiar, discovering new paths, facing challenges, and embracing discomfort. As he stepped beyond the boundaries of his comfort zone, he found courage, resilience, and the strength to forge a different reality. Each step was a leap towards his aspirations. Remember, your future doesn't await you in the comfort of the known. It beckons from the unexplored realms beyond. So take that step, close this chapter, and start writing the story of your dreams.
For music, explore trending sounds from YouTube Shorts library to enhance the video's virality. Step 7. Finalizing and uploading. Enhance your video's appeal with trending music from YouTube Shorts library before exporting and uploading. This final touch can significantly impact its reach. If you found this tutorial helpful, show your support by liking and subscribing for more tutorials. Remember, creating viral content needn't be daunting. Try these AI-powered techniques yourself by following the links below this video. Until next time, peace out.